Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at what to expect weather-wise as we go through the first half of the work week. And today, once again, lots of sunshine across the Arklatex as temperatures will be warming well into the 80s, and you can see with that flag in DeKalb, rather breezy out there as well, as we're watching a cold front which is going to move across the Arklatex later on tonight into tomorrow, bringing with it more clouds and a little bit of a quick shot of rain. Here's a look at the latest hourly run of the HRRR model, and you can see it does show the clear sky this evening. Here comes the clouds, and again that quick shot for the shower late tonight over the northern half of the area. As we go through the day tomorrow, we will see that very narrow band of rain move through the southern half of the region during the morning, and in the wake of that rain, as the frontal system moves through, we will very quickly see the clouds give way to plenty of sunshine over most of the area. In fact, all of the area by the end of the day tomorrow. We should see a mostly sunny sky. Expect a clear sky across the area tomorrow night as some cooler air moves back in. Lows tonight will be in the 60s. We'll be in the 40s and low 50s tomorrow night as well as on Wednesday night. And you can see in between the two on Wednesday, we will see plenty of sunshine. Daytime highs for the rest of this week will likely stay above normal in the 80s for the most part, as normal now is in the mid to upper 70s. So again, the above normal temperatures during the day will likely continue, and you can see the quiet conditions which likely will persist through most of Friday. So that being said, your forecast tonight, look for clouds to increase as that cold front makes its way into the area. We will see the possibility for that stray shower along the front late tonight. 60 for the low in Texarkana tonight, 67 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow the threat of that scattered shower will shift quickly to the south during the morning. Then sunshine returns as temperatures will not be as warm as today. We'll see highs in the mid to upper 70s over the northern sections of the area, including 78 degrees in Texarkana. 81 degrees will be the daytime high tomorrow in Shreveport. And your 10-day forecast shows that we will likely stay dry probably through most of Friday. It still looks like a rather significant disturbance will bring a significant amount of rain to the Arklatex this weekend. Still looks like 3-4 inches of rain looking very possible over most of the Arklatex. More on that in my Weather Worries article a bit later. You can see temperatures in the wake of that system will stay rather warm most days through next Tuesday. Will be in the 80s for daytime highs. Lows, couple nights in the 50s, should warm back up into the 60s as that weekend disturbance approaches. And then next week, by the last half of the week, a pretty good shot of chilly air comes down as we'll see highs late next week in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Overnight lows will dip into the mid to upper 40s by the end of the week. So again, several more days of dry weather across the Arklatex with some heavy rain looking very promising as we go through this weekend.